Hi everyone, my name is Katie and I am a librarian at Margaret Trokey Library. Today I'll be talking to you about Learning Express, one of our many resources online for our patrons who have a library card. First of all, you're going to want to go to ssjcpl.org. That will take you to our home page. Then we're going to go up to our blue navigation bar, hover over Learning, and go on down to Online Learning. Once we click on that, we'll go to Learning Express. It does give a brief overview and tells you what it involves, which is practice tests, exercises, skill-building courses, ebooks, and information to reach personal and professional goals, including cover letter, resume, and interviewing resources. So go ahead and give that a click. It will ask you to put in your library card barcode number. It doesn't show as an actual barcode. It is that long string of numbers at the bottom of either your keychain or credit card sized, wallet sized card. Alright, once you put in that information, you will find yourself on this page. You can use the top search bar to find exactly what you are looking for. Once you scroll down, it will also appear in the upper right corner. This gives a brief overview of the different areas that they offer resources in. As you can see, there is career preparation, job and career accelerator, high school equivalency center, college admissions test preparation, school center, college students, adult core skills, computer skills center, and also offerings in Spanish. I'll go ahead and click on one of these so that we can go ahead and see what that page will look like, and we can see what the navigation bar changes to once we have selected it. So from here, you can see that there are several drop-downs available. The one we selected is open, called Get Started with Your Computer. Under this drop-down, you'll find very basic things such as getting to know your computer, using your desktop applications, computer safety and maintenance. You can also go to more advanced topics such as getting started with the internet, which goes over things such as using your email, social media tools, and internet safety. And there are even things regarding different software tools such as Microsoft Suite, Excel, Access, Outlook, everything that you could possibly need to know about PowerPoint all the way back to 2007. You can even learn about computer graphics and illustration with Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, and go into your operating system. Unfortunately, they do only support Windows as far as their instructions right now, but hopefully soon they will update and also include Mac instructions. And then we can also go up to the top bar. When we hover over this bar, it'll show the different areas. Again, this is the same as was shown on the first page. However, when you hover over, it will give more in-depth information about the kind of offerings they have for each tab. For instance, career preparation shows all of the different exams available. Job and Career Accelerator shows that you can find a career match, explore occupations, even search for jobs and internships. The High School Equivalency Center will help you build your basic skills and get ready for the GED, and it's really cool. They also offer it in Spanish. The College Admissions Test Preparation, they offer not only ACT and SAT, but also PSAT, AP exam, and the TOEFL exams. School Center, they have offerings for elementary, middle, and high school. This will be for science, grammar, reading, math, etc. College students, it's a similar idea. They have math skills, reading skills, grammar and writing, and science skills review, as well as preparation for graduate school admissions exams. Adult core skills that allow you to build your math skills, become a better reader, improve your writing, speaking, and grammar. And something really cool is it shows you how to become a U.S. citizen and the information about the process and the test. Computer Skills Center is one that we already looked at. And these are the offerings that they have in Spanish as well. So that is pretty much Learning Express. Again, you do need a library card to access it, and it will ask you to register the first time that you sign in. But other than that, it is completely free, and there is just so much on here available to you to experience and utilize. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call at 209-937-8221. We're here to help.